In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize sections in Slack. If your Slack sidebar feels cluttered, sections are a simple way to bring order to your channels and conversations. They let you group related work together so you can find what you need faster and stay focused. First, log into Slack on the desktop app or in your browser. Everything we're about to do happens in the left sidebar, where you see channels, direct messages, and other items. Next, click Channels in the sidebar. This is where Slack gives you options to organize. Move your mouse over the Create control you see there. You'll notice a few choices appear. Click Create Section. A small window opens asking for a section name. Pick something clear and memorable like team updates, projects, or follow-ups. Keep it short and consistent with how your team names channels. You don't need to overthink it, you can change it later. Now add conversations to your new section. You can include channels you visit often and even direct messages to key teammates. This is great for grouping a project's channels together or keeping your daily priorities in one place. If you're unsure what to include, start with the 2 or 3 spaces you check most frequently. You can always add more as your workflow evolves. When you're happy with the name and the conversations you've selected, click Create to save the section. You'll see it appear in your sidebar right away. If you don't see it, scroll slightly. New sections sometimes land near the middle of your list, depending on what you already have. To customize further, hover over the section name and click the 3 dots that appear. This opens a menu with management options. Move your cursor over, manage to reveal additional tools, choose Edit All Sections. Here you can refine names, add an emoji to make sections easier to spot at a glance, and adjust how conversations inside each section are arranged. Emojis can be surprisingly helpful. Use simple, distinctive icons that visually cue the type of work in that section. For sorting, pick what matches your style, alphabetical for predictability or a custom order to keep your top priorities at the top. If you change your mind, you can come back and tweak these choices anytime. And that's it. You've created a section, added conversations, and learned how to edit, rename, and sort. Use sections thoughtfully, and your Slack will feel calmer and more intuitive. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized workspace.